one, we don't follow the rules. Switch it up, we ain't knocking your groove. Rule number 2, go and cook with the crew. Go to work and go rock in the booth. Rule number 3, keep it high like a peacoat. I just know you ain't stepping to me, bro. And I'm trying to go get me some seed. Knows we at the door, better look through the peephole.
I think you read a little too hard in that.
Nah, they say dates.
Okay,
bro, you assume, bro. They said
no,
dates, bro.
okay, because look. Here's my thing. Okay, what's the shorty with the hair in front of her face?
I know what you're talking about. The crate, Palm.
Yeah, Palm, dog. Palm is like clearly fucking with Gone. And Keela was like, how are you so fucking like good at all this shit? And he's like, oh, I used to do this shit all the time on the island. But older women used to come off the boat and we used to be rocking with them. They give them to the young men. That's what he said. And then they go on like all they said dates.
They said dates. It was dates, bro.
Let me pull up the scene. Hold on. I'm pulling it up. I'll find it.
I mean, to be fair, even going to the date with Gone, bro. I mean, bro, like 10, 12.
Y'all
like
acting
12
like
max.
it's okay. He said, whoa, it's okay for the 30-year-old women to be dating the 10-year-old boy. It's okay. They were
nigga, you said fuck though.
Yo, I said
that is
fucking
crazy.
Either way, neither one of them was okay, bro. Keep it.
You talking about this one right here, big dog?
Nigga said Palm, Siberia.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, we're recording.
Oh, we're recording.
What did I just do?
This is a good intro, man. Keep it in.
I was keeping it in.
No.
You talking about this one right here, big dog?
Oh, this might be the episode, but Golan talks to Killua about it, and Killua's like, you guys, you know what she's like trying to get into, right? And he's like, Golan's like, yeah, I'm used to this.
There's no way Gone is out here busting cheeks already, bro.
On God, I'm so serious.
Getting raised the absolute demon.
Metamorphosis.
Bro, that's what happens when you get abandoned, bro.
So what I'm hearing is that when it came to the bedroom, he brought out his adult Gone form is what I'm hearing. Gotcha.
Bro used all his name for one clap. That's crazy.
You too. We have a wife.
Bro used all his name for one clap. I can't go over that.
Yeah. Anime waifu trailers.
Nah, those don't bust that, man.
Yeah, who is this?
That is Inori from Guilty Crown.
I cannot
Guilty
say
Crown.
I'll fix it.
No.
Penelope in there too.
Where is she?
First row.
Nezuko, first row.
This is isn't this a nigga in the
Put all the niggas in there. There's a lot of niggas in there. So I don't know why.
That's a girl.
That's a girl. I thought it was a nigga reincarnated as a female.
She's staying there though.
Nah.
Well,
Someone tell me how old the lizard is.
Whoa, why are you taking out Charlotte like that?
I don't know who Charlotte is. Who's Charlotte?
Oh, man.
Yeah,
What's the how old is the lizard? Put all the JoJo niggas in there.
Yet.
Put all the JoJo niggas in there.
No. Dio kinda up there.
Oh my god. All right, I'm done for this podcast. Y'all got that.
If Brandon gets to put traps up in A and S tier, I get to put Dio up there.
Y'all got that.
Thank
you. Don't get quiet now, man, when the camera's on. Get quiet because the camera's on.
Whatever do you mean?
my man, don't disrespect my man Bo. He said, how is a lizard?
How is a lizard? Better Google it.
I don't even know who the lizard is.
Jack, you know anime. Who is the lizard?
Who is the lizard?
Wait.
Well, I'm pretty sure she's from like Overlord or something.
Oh, I watched Overlord. Is she from Overlord? I can't remember.
Lizard Overlord.
No. Wait.
Oh, season 2. She went from season 2, wasn't she? Oh.
It is her.
She was the princess or queen, something like that. Brandon, search the age, please.
The fact that we really entertain this, bro. Oh my god.
Hey, yo, what the fuck is that?
Overlord, put anime in there. Overlord anime, bro, dude.
What are we doing?
What's the age?
Oh my god.
This is for both. What's the age for both?
No age, so she's safe.
Bo.
I don't think that's a good indication of anything.
Bo.
Wait, what are we talking about?
You're the one guy.
I didn't realize I was pulling up the scene from Hunter x Hunter. I would be real with you.
We was doing this whole investigation about your lizard woman.
Bro, we trying to help you out, bro. We're trying to
No,
keep you safe out here.
She's married. She's married.
Albino.
We're not asking
married.
you married. We're
I'm not
asking
asking if she married.
We're asking for the age, my guy.
She's married.
Bro,
Boney's the age, bro.
is she single? Is 1v20. If she's not, is 1v1. Work smarter, not harder.
I mean, what? What?
And that's how work we do that. Ding.
Yo, both funny shit, yo.
Kyle.
Oh, Dio, the love of my life. I can respect it.
Stop. No, okay.
Ryuko Matoy, I need her at least an A tier. Thank you.
Dang, you put Chico at no.
If she looks like a child, she goes in no.
I
Or
don't
Factual,
she's
factual.
preferred the child in no.
know.
The girl from I see the girl
Whoa.
from Darkness. The girl from Konosuba for her in D2 or no?
Wait,
Are
I
you
don't.
talking about Aqua?
Brandon, you haven't seen.
Not Aqua.
Yeah.
Aqua's on her too. Oh, actually Aqua. Not Aqua. I'm talking about the other one though. What's her name?
You better not put her in B.
The explosion girl. I forgot her name.
Oh, you talking about
Brandon, you
Megami?
haven't seen High School
Megami.
DxD, bro.
Also,
I have
when
not.
she's 14, put her in
this,
no.
this is her.
Yes, yo.
Yeah, she's from High School DxD, right?
What
Yeah,
does that
Aqua,
change?
no.
What does that change?
That is,
She's
yes,
an
sir.
adult, I
Yes,
think.
sir.
Oh, you're horny.
On.
That's what High School DxD is for.
Oh,
Well,
Jay,
Brandon, so I will not take any slander from you about anything. This, thank you.
that you sound a little too enthusiastic, dog.
I thought it was only when I heard that.
Horny. Ah, yes. No. She was
Yes.
fine.
No. She should be an A, but she did break the homie Simone heart. So
Yeah, justice for Simone. I don't know who these ladies are.
She's a grown up.
Bro, you want to know what I searched to find that?
Oh no.
No, I'm good.
Go claps, home cheeks, and
I was like that one scene in Hunter x Hunter that implies Bones fucks milk. That's literally what I searched.
and it showed up.
Yeah, it was like the second link.
because as long as you know you're not the only one thinking about it.
Yeah.
Ami is at least an A.
Hey yo.
Nami get S tier for being the only woman I know in this aside from Balma.
Nami can be an ass.
How old
but
is
You put Darkness in B?
Huh?
You put Darkness in B?
My fault.
And Aqua in A? Put Aqua lower.
Whoa. Aqua got
No.
And A, don't put at least B. At least B, bro. With Darkness.
No. They're all kind of terrible.
So both of
Then
them.
why she on A then?
That was Brandon's idea. I think they're all garbage.
Thank you. Why is Brandon controlling this, bro?
I don't know, because we did let him set up the time. He did say if somebody else wants to do it, we didn't do it.
I'm the tailless guy next time. Thank you.
No, because it's going to pick a Digimon thing, and then he's just going to become a dictator.
I'm always a dictator. Thank you.
You're not.
On as diff.
Oh, S tier.
Oh
no,
boy,
Brandon, I need a new tail list. Put step on me.
that is crazy.
Oh, sweet God. Tatsumi. Oh, just sold the bag. Just sold it.
That is crazy.
She would have gave everything to him. Oh, thank you, Brandon.
Thank you,
That is
Brandon.
crazy.
Yes. Oh, this is love. I don't want Naomi to step on me. I don't want her to step. Thank you.
Raftalia. No.
Ooh.
How do you not know who? That is great.
No.
Oh, so that's from what's the name of the shield one, Rising the Shield Hero.
I haven't watched that.
A banger.
Wait, Dijon, did you watch this?
I cannot see.
Did you watch Shield Hero?
No.
Shield Hero is a banger.
Okay,
banger.
that boy,
Sure is a banger.
hear me out. I'm putting her in no. Because he most definitely aged her up, bro.
Oh, that's a child. That's still a child on the kid.
Oh no.
That's still a child. I don't care how old she gets as a child.
No.
Nah, Urza gotta be
Fine.
higher.
No, that's Nightwalker, and even still, she's still garbage because she's related to Urza.
Oh, Saber.
The fact that you know that's Nightwalker.
Yes, I established, I've read and watched all of Fairy Tail, and
She's up
they
there.
don't consider it garbage.
Jet. Wait, Jet.
Yes.
We all can agree the Food Wars women are all Araba.
Yes.
I have not watched Food Wars.
Respectfully.
Y'all have that.
Ryuka Matoy.
I don't
at least
really.
at least A tier or Step on Me. Matter of fact, Step on Me.
It's been a while since I've seen Kill la Kill.
Brandon, Step. Brandon.
I think.
Like,
How about we just have a whole tier list just for this genre where it says
That's
stepmom.
That's the Step on Me. Akame.
Akame, yeah,
I put her B.
she at least a B.
Oh, Bulma.
Mama for the streets, bro. I'm not gonna hold.
For the streets.
This
I
man
agree.
Yamcha died, and she started fucking the man who killed him.
That is
Facts.
crazy.
That's crazy. And not only that, I'm pretty sure, because a couple of times we said, if Bears decided to blow up the fighter, I can at least make sure you're alive. And she said, say less. Brandon, the streets, I need one.
I had a kid instantly with that man. That's crazy.
Damn, and the fact that Yamcha couldn't even fight Vegeta back about it, that's crazy. Poor Yamcha, he been through a lot. He don't deserve this.
Yamcha began from that ass, bro. Yamcha did not deserve today.
He does not deserve the slander, bro.
For no reason. Like, he did nothing wrong. That's the thing, bro. He did nothing wrong.
CC is loyal. I say she's like at least a B.
Now Krillin, that nigga's
These are can't get over that one thing, bro.
Krillin S tier.
Shut your ass up.
Yeah,
Krillin's a
she
menace,
is.
bro.
She
I don't
is
know
a no, bro. She is a no.
Wait, what are we talking about? I thought you said Krillin.
Yes. You're talking about Yamcha, they went to Krillin.
Oh.
Lord help me.
I've been in my own little space because I don't know any of these people. Oh, you put Bulma in Screams?
She is some
You just
street.
not listen to the whole conversation we just had,
There you go.
No,
there you go.
Literally
Brandon.
said I have not been listening.
bro.
He did
I
say he
don't
wasn't
know
listening.
these people except for Bulma.
Oh,
Bulma
Oscar.
gets some I know you clout.
Brandon, you seen Neon Genesis?
No, I just know she's bad.
He just going off a horny.
Good choice. Good
instinct alone.
choice.
Brandon said hold a word just now, bro. He's not one word, just organizing shit, yo.
Historia because she should have been lesbian and fucked that boy in the barn.
Whoa, that came out of nowhere.
Her story for the streets too, bro. Her story for the streets too.
Betrayal.
He'll fuck her bully.
The nigga, spoilers. The nigga was working in the barn, minding his own business. She said,
give me a child.
No, she really said it's time for that audio. I'm just telling you, really gonna have all that dick and not give me nothing. And your man just sitting there shaking her head. That should have been me.
It should have been me, not him.
And then Rana just destroyed his character in one panel, bro.
Both sniffing letters.
In one panel.
And had a
sniffing
shotgun
letters.
in his whole mouth. That is crazy.
The fact is that your man was that she said you cannot be this down bad.
first of all, here's my thing. She's in the streets because Yamil was finna die for sure. And she went to
Your man outed herself to save her, bro, and her only.
and
That's
she
crazy.
out here fucking farmers.
Hey, yo, Kurome. People actually like her? Anyways.
Who?
Hey, yo.
Oh, she's the only one that lived in the anime.
No, she's not.
Nah, she died.
Did I?
Leone?
Yeah,
she died. She died in the alley. That was sad.
She did. Was she in the last episode? Was she in the last episode? I don't remember.
The only person that lived is Akami, bro.
It's a Kame and they're a leader.
No, the leader died too, bro.
Yeah, Lita died too.
Now the leader lived.
The leader died, bro. In the anime, the leader died.
We talking about the eye patch girl?
Yes. No, the one with the metal arm or some shit.
No, we talking about her.
So people actually like her? Anyways.
I still don't know
Maybe
majority of
me.
people.
That's crazy.
This is a Brandon list. Mikasa. Oh,
Mikasa.
Mikasa.
Streets.
After we know she no.
Streets.
She sold.
She dirty.
Mine used to be so
Mine.
bad, and then she died.
Mine, is it mine or Mine?
No. Mine in the manga is just what?
Is
I mean,
that a good?
I think me and you are the only one that read it, Deshaun. So.
Is that a good one or a bad one?
No, it is not.
Wait, did she fuck a dragon?
Yes,
Yeah.
Tatsumi's a dragon in the manga, and she fucked him and had kids.
How is that okay?
We had this conversation. You say,
I don't really.
Do not look it up, Brandon.
Remember what happened last time? I was shut up.
Android 21.
Dragon
Old
breath.
pervy man. Old pervy man. Just remember having yo.
Hey,
Dragon
yo.
Breath. Not this movie.
And that's what happened. She fucked a dragon, and this what happened. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I talk about the physical aspect of it fitting. She's a small girl, bro.
Bo, where's she going?
Lord have mercy. Prayers.
I got you, G. I got you.
Bo's girl back there. That's crazy, man.
I'm pretty sure she started getting freaky in the show, and then I was like, all right.
Oh, Rem is no. Oh, sad.
Rem is no.
Rem and Ram. Oh, both no. Oh,
Rem.
sad. You hate to see it.
She's like a bee. Kind of forgot her name. It's
What do you
Hawkeye,
think?
right? Something Hawkeye. Yeah, it's like Hawkeye or something.
I typed and nothing came up. My feelings kind of hurt.
Huh? Oh.
Yo, you said long hair. Yo,
No,
really
no.
put in the
No, I
long
saw
hair.
long
Hey,
time.
yo.
Am I the one that saw the long tongue?
I wasn't paying attention.
Never mind.
We've seen enough, Brandon. We've seen enough.
Bro, I seen long tongue, bro.
Man, covering that
bro.
Xbox.
Oh, she's for the streets. Her death was gonna say it.
Why
Shiro.
she for the streets, bro? Because she died. What kind of logic is that, bro? She was a good person. Why she for the
She got class. She for the streets.
Shiro's an S.
Yes. You have a problem with that, bro?
Shiro? I don't know.
Kind of psychotic.
Shiro.
But okay.
So, Jack. So we talked about when I sound like strong woman, but I'm leaving that alone. That's all I'm gonna say. As long as niggas aware of the shit I be talking about, bro.
Toka like a B at least or A.
Oh,
There you go. Calm down.
oh, she took that nigga Kaneki.
Oh, Violet Evergarden. Whoa,
Jack, you know
what
way
the fuck
too
you
many
mean, no?
people.
No. And let me tell you why.
Full name too.
No. It's not even the fact that she's not a good wife or not. It's the fact that her show was so fucking bad and you niggas hyped
Oh,
Who we talking about? I missed it.
not Violet Evergarden.
Who the fuck is all Evergarden?
Pretty much the whole premise of the show is a girl. She's from a young age. She's trained to kill niggas. Blase. Some nigga picks her up when she's a little older, and he's like, "You don't gotta do this, man. You don't gotta do this." He gets her to join the army. She falls in love with the nigga. Starts off with the nigga not being there. She's looking for the nigga. First episode, you know this nigga is dead, and they made you watch 12 episodes for her to find out, damn, that nigga's dead. I don't need that nigga in my life. I can live happy now.
nah, that character development.
Nigga, I knew she was dead. I knew he was dead for the first 5 minutes.
He's saying that could have been a movie.
This could fuck a movie. This could have been an episode.
It could have been an OVA.
Wasting my time. But all right, y'all. Just like I wasted, just like that wasting my time. I wasted y'all time. This is the fodder tier list. This will get posted. If niggas need content post, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm putting that part out. Like,
oh, as death.
Yeah.
Oh, as deaf. That is crazy.
So you saying SF not bad, bro?